Today I'm using Arduinos for hot rods. This hot rod uses an electronically controlled alternator out of like a 96 Dodge or something. When you deadhead at power, it likes to charge at about 16 volts when you're running down the road. That's a problem. Now somebody had a ballast resistor on it before, which gets hot, and I don't fucking like it because obviously it burned out, so fuck that. I initially used a relay instead of a MOSFET, which was fucking stupid, but now I'm putting the MOSFET in it so I can rapid fire this sucker with pulse width modulation. We're going to use this as an example of the alternator for right now, and be able to turn the duty cycle up and down based on the voltage. I actually haven't coded that yet, but you can see here where it's reading my voltage. It's actually reading about 13 volts, but I had to make a voltage divider, which would be those two tiny resistors there, to drop 12 down to like a range of 3 to 4 volts. So yeah, whatever. It gets down to 2.4, they cut off. If it cuts on up to 2.6, it cuts off. So I'm gonna have to rewire code that, but bask in my glory.